Hello everyone, welcome back to Al Husna Course English channel with me, Miss Yuni. Now, we are going to practice English consonant sounds. Let's pronounce together. B, p, paper. B, b, bite. T, t, time. D, d, dice. K, k, cake. G, g, golf. Ch, ch, watch. J, j, jump. S, s, school. Z, z, zebra. Sh, sh, shower. Z, z, blazer. F, f, flower. V, v, voice. Th, th, think. Th, 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 those. Mother. Never. Drink. Hot. L, like. Right. Wow. Yes. Okay everyone, that's all our lessons about English consonant sounds. You can practice by yourself at home by watching this video. Hope this video helped you to improve your pronunciations in English. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.